Ever wondered how Higgsfield AI can generate content, automate tasks, or help you make smarter decisions? Let's break it down quickly. Step 1. Input your data. Higgsfield AI starts with your input. This could be text, images, or structured data, depending on the task. The more specific your input, the better the AI's output. Step 2. Deep learning processing. It uses deep learning models trained on massive data sets to understand patterns, context, and relationship in your data. Think of it as a super smart brain analyzing everything in seconds. Step 3. Generate predictions or content. Once it processes the input, Higgsfield AI can generate content prediction, insights, or content. This could be AI written text code, suggestions, or even automated workflows. Step 4. Feedback and improvement. The AI continuously learns from your feedback. The more you use it and correct it, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. Higgsfield AI works by combining your input with advanced AI models to give you fast, intelligent, and actionable results. Perfect for creators, developers, and businesses. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.